My name is Ocobo, and I'm the IT manager for the Armoloy Corporation. It is of vital importance that we secure our customers' parts and our employees, and thanks to InVision Systems, we are able to do that. When InVision Systems came out, they walked through the building to help us identify potential security threats. They helped us identify potential devices that could help us heighten our physical security around our facility. During business hours, InVision System provides us with the ability to monitor activities of vendors, deliveries, and manufacturing processes. After business hours, InVision Systems monitors our facilities, both indoor and outdoor. After the installation, InVision System was very helpful in making sure that all of our security needs were being met and all of our devices have been working properly. If we ever had any questions, tech support was always there and was very useful. I would highly recommend InVision Systems to other business owners for all their security needs.